Do you know how to say mother, brother, or grandparents in French like a native? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know all the essential French family member vocabulary with easy translations and pronunciation. So grab your notebook, repeat after me, and let's make French simple, fun, and unforgettable. First of all, my family. In French, we call it ma famille. Ma famille. First one, the parents. Les parents. Les parents. The mother. La mère. La mère. So the articles that we're gonna use in this video: le for masculine, la in front of feminine nouns, and les for plural of both genders. Okay. Starting again. First one is les parents. The parents. Les parents. Second one is la mère. La mère. Third one, le père. Le père. Wife. La femme. La femme. Husband. Le mari. Le mari. Sister. La sœur. La sœur. Brother. Le frère. Le frère. Child. L'enfant. And that's both masculine and feminine, because here we have done listening, so we call it l'enfant. And if you want to say children, plural, les enfants. Les enfants. We combine the sounds here. Les enfants. Daughter or girl. La fille. La fille. Son. Le fils. Le fils. We do not pronounce the L here. Moving forward. Grandparents. Les grands-parents. Les grands-parents. Grandfather. Le grand-père. Le grand-père. Grandmother. La grand-mère. La grand-mère. Grandchildren. Les petits-enfants. Les petits-enfants. Here S, we pronounce it in a continuous manner. Les petits-enfants. Grandson. Le petit-fils. Le petit-fils. granddaughter. La petite fille. La petite fille. Uncle. That's l'oncle. L'oncle. Aunt is la tante. La tante. Nephew. Le neveu. Le neveu. Niece. La nièce. Nièce. Cousin. For masculine cousin, it's le cousin. Le cousin. For feminine cousin, it's la cousine. La cousine. Le cousin. La cousine. Très bien. Let's move forward. My in-laws or my in-law parents. Mes beaux-parents. Mes beaux-parents. My father-in-law. Mon beau-père. Mon beau-père. My mother-in-law. Ma belle-mère. Ma belle-mère. Next two here have an error there. Would you like to correct it for me in the comment section? Go ahead, pause the video and correct it for me in the comment section. Très bien. So what was the error there? You got it. Mon beau-frère should be my brother-in-law. And ma belle-sœur should be my sister-in-law. So let's correct that. Mon beau-frère is my brother-in-law. Ma belle-sœur is my sister-in-law. Very well. Additional vocabulary in the same context. How do you say single? In terms of I am single, I'm not married. You pronounce it célibataire. 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 That means single. How would you say I am single? I am a single girl. Take a moment and translate that for me. Very well. We will say je suis une fille célibataire. Je suis une fille célibataire. Je suis une fille célibataire. Next one here we have is married. That's marié. 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 If you're talking about masculine. And if we're talking about someone who is feminine, then we add an E at the end. Marié, just in writing. And if we want to say, I am married, translate that for me. And I am married. So we'll say, je suis marié. Je suis marié. Very well. Separated. Séparé. Séparé. And with an additional E at the end if you're talking about someone feminine. Séparé. Divorced. Divorcé. Divorcé. Additional E for feminine. Divorcé. Bravo! You've just learned the French names for family members. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and see how many words you can remember without looking. And if this lesson helped you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next French lesson. Leave a comment telling me which French word was your favorite. And I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!